Tweetie here. We have links below in the description and playlists for you. Today we're talking about cooking. And the cooking we're going to be doing is pasta. Everybody can cook pasta. Even the smallest child that's old enough to be near a stove can do this. So, if you've been put off by stodgy, stuck-together school dinners or work potlucks, church potlucks, it's time to learn how to cook pasta correctly. And the easiest way to do it is bring some water to a boil on the stove. Once it's boiling, make sure that there is twice the water amount of what you want for macaroni or pasta or whatever it is. Once you drop that in the water, stir it around a little bit, turn off the fire, put a lid on it, and walk away for anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes depending on the texture you want your pasta. And there you go. You never have to worry about it burning the bottom of the pot or overcooking because you're in control. Just put a little timer on every 5 to 10 minutes to check it. There you go. If you've enjoyed this tip on cooking, on food, then give us a thumbs up or subscribe for more of these kind of tips in all kinds of areas. Thanks for dropping by. Angels all around. Bye.